What happens when we die? Maybe it's like this. Imagine a single drop of water gently lifted from the vast ocean. That drop is you, pure, untouched, full of potential. For a while, it flies freely through the sky. It feels separate. It has a name, an identity, a story. It shines in the sunlight and dances in the wind. It forgets where it came from. It begins to believe I am just this drop. So it clings to love, success, and survival. It fears falling. It fears disappearing. It fears death. But eventually, every drop must return. And when it does, it doesn't crash, it surrenders. There is no pain in that moment, only peace. Because the drop doesn't vanish, it merges back into the same ocean it once came from, back into the vastness it always belonged to. And in that reunion, all questions dissolve, all fear ends, because you were never just a drop. You were always the ocean, just pretending to be small for a little while. And just like you, infinite drops rise and fall, separate and merge, live and dissolve, again and again, all part of one vast ocean, one breath, one stillness, one single consciousness playing with form. So, what is death? It is not the end, it is the remembering, the letting go, the coming home. Not into darkness, but into oneness, into love, into truth, into everything. Thank you for watching.